Let's see the questions there. All right. It's nice drawing. A, find the gradient of line L. So this is line L, and this is the Cartesian plane. All right. We have the x-axis here and the y-axis here, and finding the gradient, I know that there is a rule I should follow in order to get the gradient of this line, and that rule says y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals to the gradient, right? So the gradient here is equal to y2 is y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, where is y1 and where is x2 and where is x1 and where is y2? All right, so I should take out my points from the plane I got here. So it will be easy to take the points that are exactly on the vertex of the squares here. So this point is easy to spot, which is 0 and 2, and another point like this one, yeah, it's here, and here it's easy to spot as well, which is 4 and -1. All right, so let's put the number on their places. So x1 and then x2 y1. All right, so y2, let's assume this point as point 2 here, and this is as point 1 to make things clear. So y2 will equal to -1 minus y1, which is 2, right, over x2, which is 4, minus y minus x1, which is 0. So that's equal to -3 over 4. So the gradient of this line is equal to -3 over 4. The gradient is negative, and that's correct because the line is going downwards. B, find the equation of the line in the form y equals mx plus c. So I have already got the gradient, which is equal to -3 over 4, and I will take any one from the 2 points here. Easy point to take is point 1, which is 0 and 2, and substitute it with x and y in the form. So instead of writing y here, I write 2 equals to m, which is the gradient, minus 3 over 4 times x, which is 0, plus c. So all of this thing here cancel out because it's times 0, and any number times 0 it's 0. So therefore c equals 2. So you can write the form here clearly, -3 over 4x plus c, which is 2. Right. C, find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to line L and passes through the point 12, -7. Give your answer in the form y is equal to mx plus c. All right, whenever the question says perpendicular, that means I should use the rule of parallel and perpendicular gradients to find the new gradient I will work with. And that rule also says m1 times m2 is equal to -1. So I have m1 here, which is -3 over 4 times m2 is equal to -1. So that will equal to negative 3m2 is equal to negative 4. So m2 equals to negative 4 over negative 3, which is equal to 4 over 3. I just did a cross multiplication here, and I made m2 the subject of my formula. So I will use this new value of gradient, which is 4 over 3, and the point here, which is 12 and negative 7, to find the new equation of the line. So instead of the y here and the x here, I will use the y and the x provided from the point. So instead of this y, I will use negative 7 is equal to the new gradient, which is 4 over 3, x, which is 12, plus c. Let's work that out. Minus 7 is equal to 48 over 3 plus c, to find the value of c. So 48 over 3 equals to 16. So negative 7 is equal to 16 plus c, and minus 7 minus 16 is equal to c. That means minus 23 is equal to c here. Alright, so it will be easy for me to put the numbers in this form. So y equals to the new gradient, which is 4 over 3x, plus c, and the value of c here is negative 23, so it will be 4 over 3x minus 23.